Let's fill out a Massachusetts prenuptial agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is Massachusetts's prenuptial agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything Massachusetts asks of it. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. Before the marriage, the couple can put in writing that property either of them owns going and stays with, or becomes one spouse's, on the contract's terms. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. Signing does not switch it on, it takes effect when the marriage happens. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address, exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is a Massachusetts agreement, so both blanks say Massachusetts. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. It can say that property either person holds at the time of the marriage, all of it or any named part, stays theirs or passes to the other. A schedule of the property it is meant to affect has to be attached, described clearly enough for a creditor to tell it apart. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. It can hand either spouse an estate in fee or for life in all or part of the property, and set any other lawful limit. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. The contract and its schedule have to be recorded in the registry state law names before the marriage or within 90 days after it. Without that recording, it is void, except between the couple themselves and their heirs and personal representatives. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal, no sign-up required.